snow. Do you like the snow? Snow. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is our snow day. Yay. And it has just started snowing really hard. We're supposed to get 70-mile-an-hour winds today. They don't really know about snow accumulation. They're saying maybe an inch, maybe 8 inches. You know, kind of all over the place. But we still have a sick girl who is refusing to rest, who is refusing to listen, and is just having a pouty day. And we have this little guy who isn't feeling that good. He has a stuffed up nose. Hi, ADP. Hi, ADP. We have the honored one who can't handle mom's attention being anywhere else. And then over here, we have the destructive ones who are enjoying a fun tumble down the stairs.
We have a slide. A blanket slide. Hi. Can we take out our slide?
And they have created a very safe meantime project. We have a slide down the stairs. The issue is now their beds are unmade. And for them this isn't the safest thing to do, so they laid down every single stuffed animal in the house. You guys are going to have to clean this all up.
I know.
Are you actually going to clean it up?
Yeah. Yes. Ow! Ow! Can we pick up?
Oh my goodness. What are you going to do? Alright, you guys be careful. And that's my day. Phoebe's upstairs being a recluse per usual. What's wrong? Mommy can't walk away more than 15 feet from her. And we lose our nonsense. No sprinkles. No sprinkles. I'm hoping to be motivated today and make Play-Doh. And maybe make some cookies. There's a couple areas in town that have power out. They're having a power outage. And so I'm hoping that this wind doesn't give us power outage because, you know, that would just be great. I'm going to make Mr. Ezra happy. And then maybe you can join us in making some cookies for the day. Probably a whole lot of shadows. I'm too tired for this. I'm too tired. Alright, so I finally got dressed for the day. The kids are watching Mary Poppins again. I am waiting for my butter to soften for cookies, and we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. But first, while I wait for that to soften, I have had this guy for a long time, probably almost a year now. I don't need that yet. Put it away, please. Clean up this. And it's a recipe box. And I haven't used it yet. There's just little cards in it that you write your recipes on. I have always just used this for my recipes, but it has been burnt. And it is just falling apart. So, that's what we will do today. Can you go get me a pen?
I'm Mommy Hope.
Yeah, right now I'm not cooking it. I'm just getting some stuff ready.
We colored on them.
No, you don't. So it comes with these little dividers and little stickers to put on the tabs. And it has appetizers, beverages, side dishes, stuff like that.
Like a lot
And
of
then,
stuff.
like a lot of stuff. And then it has these cute little recipe cards. You can see them. And directions on the back. So, I'm gonna do that. 'Cause why not? Why not, River? Why not?
Okay.
running. So I'm gonna take a break from that and see how our butter is doing. Do you think our butter is doing good?
And we're going to bake cookies after that. You like it? What?
How that's
So tired.
Herbert wants to tell you her legs are tired. So it's not the softest.
Mom.
Clean this up. Clean this up. Pick it up off the floor, please. Let's check out the snow, shall we? It is not going to adjust. It is windy, horribly windy, and the snow is starting to stick a bit. There's just going to be ice underneath all of this because it was raining. It was raining all night long. No, that's River's homework. Trying to get the kids to clean up a little bit. We need the kids to clean up a little bit, and we'll start some cookies.
Mommy, I won't put away that puzzle.
You're not putting away your puzzle.
I'm building this one.
And maybe she was building that one. Let's make some cookies.
I'll put your butt off.
All right, River, put the butter in.
1, 2,
Okay, now I need you to get the brown sugar from down there,
1 sugar.
and we are going to do this. This little turkey over here is trying to sneak cookies. Time. What are you doing? Are you sneaking those cookies? I see you. I know, these are our cookies. They're coming out perfectly. Yeah. One thing I hate the most about cooking. What do you think I hate the most about baking? Is don't. It's the dishes. I don't like dishes. Chili, do you like doing dishes? No? You're not sure? Look at that cute face. You can have a cookie at lunchtime. Lunchtime cookies. Do you want chicken nuggets? Yeah. How are you feeling? Like a potato. Check. Potato. These two over here are busy watching their favorite YouTubers. Who are these people that you're watching?
That's how we do it, baby.
This is how we bing them. They love the Binghams more than I could thought possible.
Baby, we got put away. Bill, let me up here. This one's mine.
What?
You want?
No help for you.
My cookie.
This crazy girl thinks she can go outside when it's a blizzard. A 70-mile-an-hour wind. She doesn't think that she's gonna fly away. So we're gonna test the theory.
Can I have this
No. If you fly away, you're gone. Fly.
Boots.
I don't know.
Camera, do you know where my boots are?
Probably in the boot section.
Okay, camera.
It feels like 4 outside right now.
No, it feels like way down.
Are you taking home a cookie? Yeah. I saw her. It was yummy. Yeah. You think that if you hand out all these cookies, you can have one, huh? Doesn't everyone have one? Daddy told you could have one? Yeah. All right. We're gonna test the wind, I guess.
Oh my god!
This 8, 9. She's already cold. 10. I was wrong.
11,
I can't even see her.
12, 13.
Oh, she looks like a little zoo animal. Everyone's just staring at her on the other side of the glass. All happy and warm.
What did you say?
Aw, let's see the baseball. Matilda, what are you doing? How did it feel?
It felt like I just stayed in that corner.
Yeah.
It felt like a tornado.
Yeah, I did. What happens with 70-mile winds?
Well, you feel like you're getting pushed around.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, by a big crowd.
Look, you didn't even go in the snow and you're still covered in it.
Yeah.
Do you want to put your shoes on the mat?
Alright, so we're in the middle of Snowmageddon. There's 9,000-mile-an-hour wind and a heavy blizzard, and it's absolutely terrifying. I mean, you can't see out there. I'm gonna go out there. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Come on. Come on.
Oh gosh.
So the snow's not deep. This wind is like 70 miles an hour. And it hurts when it hits you. And all of our windows have frozen up. And the snow is packed in behind the blinds. And when the wind blows, there's just a hurricane. This is exciting. This is terrible, terrible snow. See, there's literally no accumulation, but it piles up everywhere.
Can we go inside?
Oh, there's River. Hello. Oh, and it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Alright guys, it's that time of day again where everyone's upstairs getting in pajamas, and I am going to start the original Mary Poppins, since we watched the new one yesterday. The girls have been begging to watch the old one. So we're going to do that tonight. Hopefully not lose power in this blizzard, and we will see you guys tomorrow.